I have a policy that whenever I log on to my phone or a computer, the first thing I do must be to check Airbnb for messages. I think it's a really good policy, and I've got good ratings for response time and all that. And guests feel much more comfortable if their host is really good at checking up on their messages, if there are any problems. So I encourage you to do that as well.
Okay.
Be careful about scammers. If you get some weird messages on Airbnb, just be careful. Don't rush and do anything. Airbnb does a pretty good job of ferreting out the scammers, but here and there someone will get through. You'll often get a warning from Airbnb. Anyway, don't do anything outside of the Airbnb system. Keep everything in Airbnb. Then you have a record for it, and Airbnb can deal with it. If it seems strange, it is. If they have some kind of strange request, yeah, don't do it. You don't want to risk your business. The internet is still kind of the Wild West, and someone will maybe ask you to do something on a different platform. Yeah, don't even go there. It just I've heard so many horror stories, not from Airbnb people, but just from people on the internet in general. So be really careful. Just keep it simple. Do your Airbnb stuff, and things will be fine. I've never been a victim of a scammer, but I don't communicate outside of Airbnb. Keep it all there. So I advise you to do the same. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.